Hi everyone, this is Becky, Black Art Beauty 14. Now in today's video, I'm going to be creating a full face look using the Lottielondon Believe in Your Selfie palette. Now if you guys saw in my previous video, I already used the Seize Your Daydream eyeshadow palette from Lottielondon, so I thought it'd be nice to create a look using this palette. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Rebecca, haven't you already created a look using this in your full face of Lottielondon? Well, there's kind of a little bit of a difference there. For one, that was my very old camera, so the quality on it was not very good. The lighting was not the greatest, and I wasn't even at home. So I thought it'd be a good idea to recreate the look again. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube content and bits and pieces here and there. So let's get started by creating a look using the Lottielondon Believe in Your Selfie palette. Right. First, of course, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, so I'm just going to be doing them off camera. I'm just going to be using this is a very well-loved pencil. This is the PS Brow Pencil. Unfortunately, the shade name has come off, but I will put it down in the description bar below, so you guys can know what shade this is. So just going to do this off camera. I'll be right back. I've done my eyebrows the best I can. I don't think I've done that well today, but oh well. I'm going to go in with the shade Good Girl. Oh, I did prime my eyes with the Essence Eye Stage Eye Base, so I've just primed my eyes with that. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the shade Good Girl, which is that matte white shade. Just going to take a flat brush, and I'm just going to set my entire lid with this colour, so it makes the colours pop, but also just sets everything. Okay, so I've just set my eyelids in place. So I'm going to go in with the shade Slay, which is that matte light. It's sort of like a light pink brownie colour. So I'm just going to take the other side of that, because it's a dual-ended, so it's got a fluffy end on the other side. So I'm just going to take that, just going to start working that in the crease area. No idea what look I want to do today. It'll probably be very similar to the look I did in that old video, but never mind. Right, I'm now going to go in with a bit of Lucky Star, which is that light green colour. Just going to use that same fluffy brush, and I'm going to work this in the crease as well. So, see the shade Slay, you can't see it very well on the lid. It's there, but it's just a very light transition colour. So, I'm going to go in with a studio brush and just use that shade Slay again, and I'm just going to blend that Lucky Star colour out so we can blend them both together. Right, I'm going to go in with that shade Best Babe, which is that coppery colour. Just going to apply, oh, it's pigmented. Just going to apply this with my finger on the lid. Oh yeah, that's a lovely colour. I'm just going to define the outer edges a little bit, so I'm going to take the shade Fire, which is that purpley, sparkly colour. Yeah, it's like a purple, but it's got like a bit of gold sparkle in it. Just going to take an Old Freedom angled brush, and I'm just going to add this just to the outer edge, just to add a little bit of definition. I'm going to go in with a bit of Lucky Star and Slay. I'm just going to blend the darker colour in that together. See, I like that. That's not too dark or anything. That's like a nice smoky eye, but it's not too dark. I like that. I was going to go with Smog, but I'm quite happy with this eye look. So I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner now, because I haven't used a bit of eyeliner in ages. So I'm going to use this one. This is the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye Superliner, and this is obviously in the shade Black. I'm just just going to start by creating the line. I love this eyeliner, it's just super black and it dries really, really nicely. Okay, I don't know what happened to that eyeliner, like what the heck just happened there. So I'm going to do my base makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Right, that's the base makeup done. Ooh, my eyeliner just really wasn't cooperating with me today. I don't know why I find it so hard to do eyeliner, so I've done it as best as I can. So, I'm going to be going on to the face. So, I am going to go in with the shade Beach Bum, which is exactly the same colour as it is in the other palette. So, I'm going to take a Lottielondon brush. I believe this might be the contouring brush, but anyway, I'm going to go in with this one. Just grab that bronzer. I'm going to start sculpting out the cheeks with this bronzer. I know it's more like a contouring brush, but I'll use it for bronzing. Oh, really just pack on that product, punch. Some stamping it up here as well. Right, going to clean up the edges a little bit. I'm just going to go in with a big, more like a smaller fluffy brush from Eco Tools. I'm going to grab the shade BFF, which is that nice pinky, kind of like a hint of purple in there, like a blush colour. Just going to grab it and we're just going to apply this to the cheeks area. I know when I tried this on in the video, I loved this colour. Yeah, I love that colour. Right, for highlighter, I'm just going to use the same brush I used to set under my eyes. I'm going to grab the shade Good to Glow. This one is more of a gold highlighter. I don't think this is too dark for me. Oh no, it's not. It looks dark in the pan, but it actually comes out light. So I'm just going to apply it with this brush. Like that. Yay. Oh no, I can just about get away with that. Just testing the shadows then to make sure it wasn't too dark. But it's not, luckily, so I can get away with this. Give myself a milk moustache, then on the chin. Right, adding that colour to the inner corner of my eye as well. Right, for the lower lash line, I'm actually going to take Swag and I'm going to pop that in the waterline. Just going to use an angled brush. Just going to grab that colour and I'm going to apply this in the waterline. Right, just going to take a bit of Slay now. I'm just going to blend that underneath just to soften up the brown. Right, just going to be finishing off my eyes with mascara. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Mascara. So it's pretty much just got a basic plastic brush. So just going to apply this on my eyes. Just to pump it up a bit. And why not? I feel like wearing some falsies today, so I'm going to go in with these ones, these are the Adele Wispies Studio Effect lashes, so just waiting for this lash glue to dry. So I feel like wearing lashes today because I haven't worn false lashes in ages, so I'm going to chuck these on my eyeballs. Now to finish it off with lips, I'm going to be using these two. So I have the NYX retractable lip liner. It's in the shade MPL 17 Coca. And I'm finishing off with the Lottielondon Stay All Day Metallic Lip Cream. This one's in the shade Lit. Okay, so I'm going to line my lips first. I'm going to finish off with the lip cream. In my previous video I used this one. This one was in the shade Shook, which more of a slightly pink undertone lip cream. But I'm going to be using this one. This one's got a bit more of a brown to it. It's a bit of a light brown one. So place this one on top. Oh, gorgeous. And to complete this look off, I'm going to be using the Nip and Fab Illuminating Fixing Spray. And that is it, guys. This is the completed look. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I must say, I absolutely love these Lottielondon lip creams. Now when people think metallic, I know it's a bit of a turn off and some people get quite intimidated by the metallic lip creams because they just think, oh god, they're going to be too much. But personally, I think these are really, really flattering. Just on top of the centre on any lip, it looks amazing. This would even look nice on a nude because it's quite pale. So you could get away with pretty much a nude, a pink, just put it in the centre, or you can just put a little bit on your finger and just put it on your lips. Pat them together, wait for them to dry, and it just looks so flattering. I just don't think it looks too much at all. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube content and bits and bobs here and there. So thank you guys very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!